Welcome to Start Driving School. Let's look at forward planning Woolton Road via Speak South Parkway, returning back to the test center. Look well ahead for parked cars in your lane. Use your MSM routine and change lane in good enough time. Return back to the left lane as soon as you're passing the last car. This will stop the cars from behind you sneaking up on your left. Because of the junction on the left, you will not be able to signal, or you will create confusion as they will think you're turning into that road. The new road has two sets of traffic lights close to each other. At the second set, you will have 3 lanes to choose from depending on the direction given. There is a yellow box junction and you need to leave this clear, so check ahead before crossing the first set of lights. Here is the sign for the direction of the 3 lanes. Let's look at going straight ahead at the second set. If lights, use the middle lane. At this point, both lanes can cross into the middle lane before the second set of lights. Use your right mirrors and signal. Look out for traffic coming from the right lane. Be very careful here as you go through the center. Watch vehicles cutting in front of you. Thanks for watching Start Driving School. Check out my other videos.